A decade back, when we used to talk to our customers regarding their requirement for end-of-line packaging solutions, that point in time, it seemed that the solutions are a luxury and not a need. Today, 10 years from there, in 2025, when we look back, we talk to our customers, same solutions today have become a need and no more a luxury. So, there has been a drastic shift in how the industries have started looking at these kind of automations. Today, let's take a look at what are the reasons of this shift from end-of-line packaging solutions becoming a need and not a luxury. First and the foremost is availability of skilled resources. So, when you look at a packaging which is done manually versus automatic, so in manual packaging you definitely have to have skilled people. In today's environment, especially post-COVID, what the industries are experiencing, the availability of the resource and that too a skilled resource. So whenever you have to change the resource who is doing the manual packaging, you have to spend time, energy and money training in to build in a similar kind of output and efficiency. So this has become a major challenges in today's factory environment. Secondly, as the demand for manufacturing goods are increasing year on year, there is a requirement to enhance the speed of your packaging machines. As you improve and increase the speed of your packaging machines, it is becoming more and more difficult to pack it manually. Hence, the need of automatic end-of-line packaging machines are increasing day by day. Thirdly, we are talking about packaging being an important aspect which builds in safety and reliability, how a good is shipped from the production facility to the end consumer. Hence, the need of automation makes this a necessity. So, in conclusion, looking at reliability, consistency, accuracy and efficiency of your production environments, end-of-line packaging solutions are today a need of the hour.